Hello, and this is a quick demo of my latest eBay purchase, a Radio Shack speech and sound pack, originally for the TRS-80 colour computer, but should work just fine on the Dragon 32. Although I will say this one can be a bit temperamental. Good. Right, well, to begin with, nothing pretty much happens. The speech and sound pack is programmable through software, and there are a few demos included in the manual. Now, I will admit I'm going to be lazy here and not type those demos in, but I'm going to show you a neat little process that I use for just this kind of occasion. First of all, my Macintosh with the manual. Okay, so I will copy the program and paste it onto an editor on the Macintosh. I'm using VI, but that's because I'm a bit old school. You can use any text editor for this. Neaten it up a bit. Now I'm going to use a little utility called PYDC that I found on the Dragon web archives, and this will convert a basic file into a WAV file. There we go. I shall now open this in Audacity. This will demonstrate the AY38913 sound chip in the speech and sound pack. This is a variant of the sound chip that you would find in the later ZX Spectrums, MXX computers and Strat CPC. It's a simple 3-channel sound chip with basic envelopes, capable of doing both music and a range of sound effects, as this will hopefully now demonstrate. Here we go. Or so pretty basic kind of 80s sound effects, but certainly better than the Dragon could do natively. Now I'm going to show you another simple demo. This one will allow me to play the computer's keyboard as if it were a musical keyboard. Slightly strange choice of sounds, in my opinion, in this demo. I haven't really tinkered with it to see if I can produce something a little bit more playable. But again, it gives you a basic idea of what it could do. Here we go. So, little bit of Jean-Michel Jarre. There we go. I don't think Jean-Michel's going to lose any sleep, but nice basic demo. And now for the exciting bit, in my opinion, which is the demo of the machine talking. In this case, we're using the SP0256AL2 speech chip. A common speech chip at the time. It has 59 allophones, which can be combined together to produce most English sounds. There we go. And there's a good example of it not quite picking the right allophones. Well, there we go. I hope you like my demo. Thank you very much for watching.